Hey, what's up everybody? This right here is a 2009 Honda Civic with a 1.8, 1.7 liter. We're doing the transmission fluid pressure switch. This is the second clutch. You got a second clutch, you got a third clutch. Second clutch is on the top, third is on the bottom. So this right here is like basically right behind the air cleaner assembly. This is in here like that, and then this is on top of it like that. So basically, to get this off, all you're gonna do is pop these 4 clips off. You got a 10mm bolt right here, and then there's one right there, but when it's down in there, it's gonna be on the side. Then you got this tube right here that goes in right here, but once you get that off, you can pull that out. Of course, you're gonna have your air filter in there, and I'm just showing you the location because I didn't see anybody else that had like a video on it. That's a 12mm bolt right there. You lift that up. You got 2 sensors down here. One right here. Let me get you a better light. Alright, so you got one. There you go. Right here. Pull that out, and then right behind it is the actual second clutch. The second clutch is right behind it, which is, let's see it right here. Hold on, let me get you a better light. You can see the tip of it. I'm gonna touch it right now, but it's a 21mm. It is this guy behind this sensor. It's right here. I'm touching it. That's it right there. This is this right here, but it's basically a 21mm. So you can put a 7/8 or 21 socket on it and then take it out. But that's the location though. It's kind of like on the back of the transmission. So it's engine coming behind the air cleaner. It's right there, and it's behind this sensor right here, that first one. So you see that first one right there, and it's right behind it. But it's a 2009 Honda Civic right here.